Hey guys, welcome back to Two Crafty Friends. Today we're going to be making this scented slime goop. Slimy goop. It's scented and it's store-bought, so we're going to see how good it is.
So we're going to be doing two scents today. We're going to have cherry, which Reese is going to be making, and blue raspberry, which I'm going to make. And we're going to have some fun mixing and making
Hopefully
this
have some fun
creation. So
it says
it's
though,
pretty easy to do this.
Let's see around here. Well, it says easy to mix and make fun creations. Let's see if it's easy, and the instructions are easy. So let's go get the ingredients, Drew.
Okay.
Wow, this is
Oh, looks like they're already set up here.
Okay.
So get the instructions.
We have instructions.
So the bad thing is it doesn't come with these cups. Since we're making two, you'll need four cups. Otherwise, you only need two. Oops. So we have our scents here. This is blue raspberry and this is cherry. And then we have
our coloring. We have red for cherry and blue for
blue
raspberry.
We have a measuring cup. Nice.
We have sodium something.
Exactly, I can't read it either.
That we mix together to make our actual slime.
Yep.
And we
then,
also have...
But my turn. We have clear glue. And then
we have this...
mixing tools.
We have mixing tools. We have this for the powder and the water. And this
No, the
for
water
the
goes in
glue.
that. Okay, so...
Yeah. Fun.
So, first step, Drew. What does it say? Read it.
So first step, do not eat slimy glue. Okay.
Don't eat it.
Be careful. Do not splash any in your eyes.
Okay, don't read
Wash
that.
Okay.
Okay, let's just go with...
Okay. So fill the cup with 30 milliliters of water.
Okay, so...
Warm water.
Okay, so...
And use the mixing stick to mix the 70 milliliters of clear glue. Mix and set aside.
Okay, so... Let's go get agua, and you get the other ingredients.
Okay.
So we just realized
We ran into an issue. We
There's-
don't have enough glue to make two slimes. So we're only gonna be making one. It has to be clear. But we have to add. So we're only gonna be making one slime, splitting it,
and then do
adding
different
this
scents.
color and the scent, and then we're gonna mix it back together. So we'll end up with a purple slime that has cherry and blue raspberry scent. So that's gonna be pretty fun.
Yeah.
So now this is.
No. Okay, so
Let's pour the water into the bowl.
yeah, and then it says to mix.
So much slime.
Drew, what does it say to mix with? The stick or
Now
the spoon?
it says for
To mix with the
us.
spoon or the mix.
Fill a
Use the-
second cup. So we're gonna.
Wait, Drew, it says to mix with the stick, right? It says.
We don't mix yet.
It says. And use the mixing stick to mix in.
Oh
You
yeah.
do mix,
Okay.
So you do the
mix
second
it.
cup.
And then I'll go get some water in here.
And I'll be stirring.
Entertaining.
No, Drew, you know what to do. I'll just be stirring.
So fill a second
So we'll
cup
be back when the
with-
second step is over.
Okay. Okay, so I got this stuff, this sodium stuff,
Yeah.
and we pour it into this water. Boom.
And then you mix
mix
with a spoon.
with this.
I'm done mixing.
Okay, set it
This
aside.
is
I mix this
that
until it
says-
dissolves. Until it
So
dissolves.
I don't know. Maybe you guys are smart readers, but we don't know what that says.
It's sodium something. It's like tetraborate
Whatever.
something. I don't know.
Uh,
But this is not dissolved yet, so I'm gonna keep mixing until it dissolves. It dissolved
Already? Okay.
already.
Next.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the third
So
step.
lay out the 2 cups.
Okay.
Empty a single. Okay, paint. Wait, what? Lay out the remaining 2 cups.
We'll be back once this is over and figure it out with.
These are hard instructions.
So they said it was easy. Okay, so now we're just like kind of experimenting, trying to see what we could get. So Drew, which is your cup? Let's add this blue. Which one's yours?
So do we mix these first?
So first it's just
No. We're supposed to mix them first.
hurry. Let's do it at the same time.
Okay.
Okay, hurry. Stir.
So this is just making our actual slime.
Yep.
If you see, it's just blue now, which is nice because it's
Drew, keep
not
on stirring.
just all. I
But
got paint on
It's
me
starting
now.
to kind of act into slime. Just a little.
Into slime and stuff. Okay,
So that's as much
just
as
put
I
all
could
the
get.
paint in. Is that all?
As much as I could get.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, and then we have to add your blueberry scent.
Wait, no. We'll dye yours red. I'll
Okay, so dye mine red.
I've
Wait,
always
where's the
hated
spoon?
these containers.
Drew has.
I opened it. I've never been able to open
Okay, so before this, Drew hated slime.
I've hated slime before.
Mhm. He used to hate slime.
Because it's kind of annoying because everyone would always be playing with slime and squishies. The reason we're doing this video is because, like, slime, it's the thing right now.
Yeah.
No one's talking about anything besides slime, squishies, and fidget spinners. So why not do slime video? If you guys want anything else like this, comment down below and ask us what you guys want us to do.
Anything.
Okay,
We'll
that's
try.
That's all the red.
So I'm going to start stirring. Drew, you stir yours. So mine's a lot lighter than I thought. So Drew, before it gets completely, let's add our scent.
Are you sure that's the cherry scent? 100%.
Yeah, it's cherry.
Okay, good. And here's my blue raspberry.
It smells like cherry medicine. Well, whatever.
I hate cherry.
At 3.
Ooh, that's good.
That's.
Adding a lot more than 3.
Let me smell.
Whoops.
Well, it's like really
I know, it's-
scenting in here.
Oh, I really like it. Ooh, I like that cherry actually. It's a good
So,
cherry.
let's see if I can. Mine's not working together, Drew.
Mine's working really well. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to start playing with my hands. Does the slime smell? It does. Kind of. It needs
Okay,
more
so
slime
soon
to
I'm
make
going to take mine out. Oh no, I think I take this.
What did you do?
It's not going slime. Oh no. So Jillian
I
here
need to-
made some slime and she messed up.
Little
And-
helper.
Yeah, a little helper. And so I tried helping her and she messed up. But hers was unicorn slime. And so,
Here, can you show them?
yeah.
Don't get too close to the camera though.
So that was the one that I tried helping her with. It's like really flabby and not stretchy.
But then show them the one that you made, Jillian.
That was when she tried again, and it's really good slime.
It's really good slime.
So I'm gonna go ahead and thank you, Jen. Little helpers. I'm gonna go ahead and get my hands in here.
Look at that. I got some good blue. Smell that. It smells weird.
It smells like soap. Okay.
I think I need more scent. I'm just putting a lot of scent in here.
I don't think I worked out.
I'm trying to overpower the glue because that's how the glue smells. So
Like so. Yeah. Mine's not working out too well, too.
I think it's kind of working out. It smells a little weird.
Okay, so push that
Oh,
aside. And it's...
Oh, that smelled really good. I got a whiff of good glue.
still smells like soap to me.
I got a whiff of good glue. Just a little. I'm adding a lot of scent.
It's like putty. Does that one have like a pro tip or something?
I don't know. I just put a lot of
I don't
scent
know
in
what
there.
to do. It's like
It made a bubble.
mine's like so putty-like. Maybe I need
I
to
think I'm gonna
add
take...
more of this on it.
Excuse me.
So mine has some like liquid in it still. So I'm gonna see if that will help it. Mine's turning out a little better than Little Helpers did when the first time she tried and she tested.
Slime grosses me out. You
Sure.
see, that's another reason,
Oh,
right?
I
Ugh, get off.
Drew, you asked to do this.
I know.
That's not turning out.
Ooh, that seems fun.
Ooh. Jeez.
So mine's very putty-like. So, I don't know. I'll say it depends on if you want to go for the instructions or if you
Want to
want,
make your own.
or if you want to like experiment like we did. And now the Little Helpers are coming in to smell them. Mine smells like cherry. You guys want to smell?
Yours really smells like cherry. Wow.
Mine smells good.
Can I smell yours?
Mine doesn't smell that good. It smells like soap.
Drew, let me see how yours is doing.
Can I smell yours?
Oh, Drew. You might get a little red in there. Yeah. So me and my friend earlier though, we got the same company, but not the same slime. Yeah, sure, bud. And it was a really, really good quality slime, and I loved it. This is not so good. Debbie, smell it. It smells like cherry medicine though. Well, it's still cherry, so I think it works. So I'm going to give this out of 5-star, maybe a 4.5.
I think I'm gonna give it a 4.5 as well.
So there you go, our rating. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember to comment what we should do next.
Yeah.
So
Also, hit the notification bell.
and
So you
see
can
you
get
next
notified.
time.
Bye.
So in fact, we forgot one thing. Okay, Drew, tear off a little bit of yours.
We're
Snowball fight.
No. How
Okay,
much?
so tear off.
I don't want
If you want to keep some of yours, just like
I want to
careful.
keep a lot of mine. So
yeah. So
get that much. Get that much. Get that much of yours. You're gonna mix this much.
no, you're gonna mix all of
No.
it. Okay, fine.
We're gonna mix
Okay.
this much. Around this much. We're gonna mix. Yeah, that's perfect. Now we're
Okay.
gonna mix them both.
Well, yours is like a lot more stretchier than mine. And so, what's red and blue when you mix them? You get purple.
We're not getting that good of a purple.
And so
Probably
it kind of looks like galaxy blue.
Oh, that's cool.
That's like very, yeah. It's more of a putty and not a slime. So if you like slime, maybe don't buy this pack.
Actually, it actually gives you a tip if you want it to be very putty-like. Then you don't add a lot of water, and if you want it slimy, you add lots of water.
Well, my recommendation, it's just not very good, and it turns out to be putty. So if you want putty, I recommend buying
Slime. This is not slime. This is putty.
Yep, there, said it.
And
Yep, that's now we're done.
have a great day. See you
Goodbye.
next time.